Flyboard Air. The Flyboard Air combines the best features of a jetpack and hoverboard. It was developed by noted French watercraft rider Frankie Zapata with the aim of being the ultimate vehicle for all solo travel, and it rapidly proved its worth in this regard by breaking the Guinness World Record, 2,252 meters, for the farthest flight by hoverboard in April 2016. It is estimated to be capable of flight at an altitude of up to 3,000 meters, total flight time of about 30 minutes, and a top speed exceeding 200 kilometers per hour. It has also been demonstrated to be capable of comfortably carrying loads of up to 200 kilograms. The Flyboard Air was designed to work with a human ability to balance, and as such can be flown without any pilot training whatsoever. It is powered by 5 turbines and is fueled by kerosene, and has been shown to be capable of flight with just one functional engine. When both engines are damaged, the Flyboard Air will make a controlled descent. Alpha Jetman. The Alpha Jetman was developed by Swiss military-trained pilot and aviation enthusiast Yves Rossi, driven by the idea of unaided flight. After more than a quarter of a century of research and innovation, the Alpha Jetman has finally achieved that dream. It makes use of a wingsuit system comprising of a backpack equipped with semi-rigid aeroplane-type carbon fiber wings, with a span of about 2.4 meters. It is powered by 4 powerful JetCat P550 turbine engines on the wings, providing 88 pounds of thrust power for the ultimate flying experience. Weighing in at 54 kilograms, this amazing device can take you to speeds of up to 407 kilometers per hour. You can use the Alpha Jetman to drop off hovering helicopters or achieve your own lift through the use of an autonomous VTOL system. With engines made from aluminum and Inconel and wings made from carbon fiber and fiberglass, this device combines lightweight and durability needed to take you to an altitude of 6,100 meters in a flight duration of 13 minutes. Jetpack Aviation JB-10. The Jetpack Aviation is a turbo-powered monster of a machine. Designed to run on kerosene, Jet A or diesel, this device is powered by a pair of specially modified turbojet engines capable of producing 200 pounds of thrust each. It's no wonder then that the JB-10 can reach speeds of up to 193 kilometers per hour. It is controlled by vectoring the entire engine, which gives it an unparalleled advantage when it comes to maneuverability and control of speed. There are 2 available options for the Jetpack Aviation. The ultralight, which has a maximum speed of about 105 kilometers per hour, is restricted to 20 liters of fuel and can be flown without a pilot's license. And the more extreme experimental version, which definitely requires a pilot's license as well as training by the JPA, because it has no speed limits or fuel limits. The Jetpack Aviation JP-10 has been widely tested both in the United States and internationally, with general positive acclaim, and it could be yours for prices starting from $250,000. Gravity Jet Suit. This amazing device from Gravity Industries is going to appeal to a certain crowd. It is a jet suit that enables the user to fly at speeds of up to 137 km per hour for up to 10 minutes. The end product of months of research and development is made up of 5 jet engines and an ingenious combination of 3D printing and a heads-up display to keep track of fuel levels. The Gravity Jet Suit has successfully flown at events in more than 20 countries and has gained repute for being able to leverage its 1,050 horsepower system to reach altitudes of 3.6 kilometers with ease. You can control your movements by moving your hands, thereby controlling 4 of 5 mini jet engines. And don't worry, you do not need a license to fly the suit at this moment. Weighing in at just 27 kilograms sans fuel, you can purchase any of the 9 available suits from London for $443,000. Hoverbike Scorpion 3. The Hoverbike Scorpion 3 is produced by the Russian company HoverSurf, and it features the combination of a motorcycle with quadcopter technology for an extreme sporting experience. Don't be frightened by its powerful name and appearance. The Scorpion 3 can be used by both professional and amateur navigators without the need for a motorcycle or even a pilot's license. It features a single monocoque frame made with carbon fiber, which grants it extreme durability and lightweight, as well as custom software designed to maximize rider comfort and safety. It is powered by hybrid-type battery with a capacity of 12.3 kilowatt-hours that can power flights of up to 40 minutes in the drone mode and could be fully charged in as little as 2.5 hours. Weighing in at 114 kilograms, the Hoverbike S3 gives you the best of both worlds in a relatively lightweight package. Martin Jetpack. Although it is still under development, the Martin Jetpack is exciting enough to earn a place on this list. It is powered by 2 ducted fans that provide lift and a 2.0-liter V4 piston 200 horsepower gasoline engine. Its main selling points include easy maintenance, its torque-neutral function, which makes it drastically easier to fly, and its load-bearing capacity, which make it invaluable to in carrying people and equipment into hard-to-reach zones. Pitch, roll, and yaw are controlled by one hand, height by another. It has been demonstrated to be able to fly for up to 30 minutes at speeds as fast as 56 kilometers per hour, reach heights of up to 910 meters, taking off and landing vertically. The current model is expected to go on sale at prices starting from $200,000. Kitty Hawk Flyer. The Kitty Hawk Flyer was developed to help humans experience the ocean from a bird's eye view. It was created with the use of an extremely aerodynamic and lightweight material, which brings its weight down to a manageable 115 kilograms. It flies at a maximum elevation of 3 meters with a top speed of 32 kilometers per hour and can fly for as long as 20 minutes without needing a recharge. The Kitty Hawk Flyer operates with the use of 10 battery-powered propellers and 2 joysticks, and has been flown more than 25,000 times since its debut.